Hello friends, today in this tutorial I'll be showing you that how you can use the Office generation package inside Node.js to generate Excel documents inside JavaScript. You can see it has got 10,000 weekly downloads, and basically we'll look at a very simple example inside how we can generate Excel documents. So it's very simple guys how we can generate this. So just create a new Node.js package and project and install these two dependencies, which is npm OFFICEGEN office generation, and the second package will be XLSX. This is the package which is required to directly interact with the Excel files. So simply install these two packages using the npm command. I have given all the source code guys in the description of the video. You can find out all the source code in the description of the video. So follow that blog post. So now guys, inside your index.js, the very first thing you need to do is that you need to require that package, which is office generation. So office generation, so we will make use of the required statement and we will require that package, and then we will simply import the built-in file system module guys, which is required for saving the Excel files. So simply require that, and also guys we just need to require the XLS module, office generation XLS, like this. That's all. So after that guys, we simply have some events which we can trigger while basically interacting with Excel files. So let's suppose whenever your file has been successfully created, we can listen on these events by using the on method. So basically, not the options, we have the on method. So basically this on method is, you may say, it's a event listener which automatically listens for all the events that trigger place. So once such event is finalized, so whenever your file has been created, this event will fire automatically. So here we can listen for this event, and right inside this guys, we can simply show a message on the screen to the user that your file has been created, something like that. So this event will automatically fire. And similarly guys, we have the event for error. So let's suppose if any sort of error take place, we can even show that error to the user as well. So we will have basically the error here, and here basically we can show the error to the user like this. So now guys, after doing that, we can make a simple Excel sheet. So we can simply create a sheet variable, and right here guys, we will simply call a method which is called as uh, make new sheet. So this will make a new Excel sheet guys, Microsoft Excel sheet, and basically here we need to first of all give a name to the sheet. So we can say that user data. So now basically guys, if you wanted to save this file, so what we can do is that we can make use of this file system module that we imported at the very top. Look like this, it's a built-in module of Node.js, and it contains a method guys which is called as create write stream. So what this method does, basically we need to mention a file name. So let's suppose I say users.xlx, like this Excel file, and now it contains a method, event handler guys, again error. So if any sort of error take place in saving the file, we can simply console log the error. Typically no error take place, but still to be on the safer side, we can implement this listener, and after that we can call this method to actually save the file on the local disk. It contains a generate method, and basically here we can pass out. That's all. So what will happen guys, you will see in the left hand side, it will create basically users dot, if I we need to simply run this file node.index.js. So it will basically, you will see your file has been created, and basically if you check guys, you will see users.xls file has been created, and you can see the sheet title is renamed to user data. So whatever name that we put here, it is renamed to user data. We can even change this. Let's suppose user info. Again, if I open that, so we just need to reload this. So user info. So now basically now to create or edit the sheet value, cells value, we have the methods guys that we can say. So after this, after we make the sheet, basically we have these methods, which is the sheet dot set cell. So as you know guys, Excel document comprises of various cells starting from A to Z and one to unlimited numbers. So basically here we can say A1, one such cell, and here the value we can assign here name. So what it will do guys, if you reload this application, if you again opens users.xls, you will see at A1 location, this is the column name and this is row here. So this corresponds to A1, so name is put here. Similarly, we can use the same concept, sheet.set cell, and here we can say that B1, and then here we can say age, and here we again need to say again set cell C1, and here we can say country. So what it will do guys, if you see basically, so name, age, country, you will see that. And also if you look inside basically Microsoft Excel, if you want to open it, you will see name, age, country. So again it is Visual Studio is showing a live preview of the Excel file. So we can use the same concept guys, so we can simply paste this like this. So we can have three records, so we can say that instead of now A2, this will be B2. You can see how easy it is. This will be A3, B3 and C3. This will be A4, B4, C4, and here we just need to change the values guys, so we can simply say here John. So you can see that guys, basically if you just refresh it, again open this, you can see that name, age, country, and then we have three rows of data here, each having, you can see that. This is basically how you can create Excel files guys. It's very simple inside Office Generation. It contains these methods set cell, with the help of which you can basically manipulate any cell value and generate an Excel file. So I've shown you step by step method. You can follow the blog post for more reference, and thank you very much for watching this video.